Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Siacoin is once again rejected by the resistance of a broadening rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this rejection by the resistance of the broadening wedge, it is dropped down at the support. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, now we are switched to the 4-hour from a weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several hours, the price and is getting accumulated at this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. And at the same time, if we move back to the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this EMA 21 is aggressively moving to the upside to provide the support to the price. And however, this is a quite long-term support here at $0.0085 that has been previously working as a very nice support here for several weeks. And before that, here it has been breaking as a support in here as well. Therefore, in case of breaking down this broadening rising wedge pattern, we will still have two more very significant supports here. One will be the support of a $0.0085, and the next one will be the support of this EMA 21. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared on 11th of January 2024 in the previous month. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Siacoin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 75% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after it has broken out this long-term down channel, it has pumped very well, but got stuck inside this broadening or rising wedge pattern. And I've been telling you almost in my every video that after breaking out this channel, we can expect a very massive rally, at least up to the top of the channel. So far, you can see that it has rallied very well from this low to this high. It has rallied more than 725%. And when it was testing the support of this channel here in the month of November 2022, from this low to this high, it has rallied almost 1000%. And now it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of 1.4 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support here, not resistance. And here it was breaking as a resistance. And at the same time, it is also rejected by the resistance of a broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see we had a long spike, but the price and again dropped down at this support. And now we should be looking at this support of this uptrend line support of broadening rising wedge pattern. But if it will break it down, then still we will have two more supports here. One will be the support of $0.0085, and the next one will be the support of this EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. Previously, you can see that for several weeks or months, it has been working as a resistance. And now after the breakout, it's working as a very nice and long-term support. And now if the price and will be bounced from this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, then we can expect another very massive pump, because the broader this wedge will be, the broader the pumps and dumps will be. Like we had previous dumps and pumps that which were smaller than the current one. You can see we had this pump and this dump, this pump and this dump, this pump and this dump, and this was another pump and dump. And now the next pump can be approximately up to this resistance of 2.5 cents or slightly above than that resistance. That can be another very massive pump. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that target is here. at the top of the wedge, this channel that is between a 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.